Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add any website to your desktop Windows 11 desktop as a shortcut. For this, I will use Google Chrome browser. So just open your Chrome browser and visit your favorite website such as YouTube. Once your favorite website opens, click on this one menu icon, this one triple dot. Then in the drop down menu, select here save and share option and then choose create shortcut option. Name it in case you want to change it and then click on this one create button. This will create a desktop shortcut and it will also ask you to pin to the taskbar. If you want to pin the same shortcut to the taskbar, click yes. Otherwise click no thanks. Now whenever you want to access your favorite website from your favorite browser, just double click on the shortcut icon. It will automatically open in your favorite browser. Such as you can see on my screen, I have opened YouTube from the desktop shortcut. That's all about this video.